5 AI tools that can make you money in 2026. These 5 AI tools are already making people money in 2026 and most beginners are still ignoring them. Intro. If you want to make money online without coding, experience, or a big audience, watch this video till the end because tool number 5 can replace multiple income streams. I'll explain what each tool does, how people make money with it, and how beginners can start today. Tool 1: AI Writing Tool, Freelancer's Goldmine. Problem. Businesses need content every day, blogs, emails, ads, but most people don't want to write. Solution. AI writing tools can create high-quality content in minutes. How you make money. Offer blog writing services, email marketing services, social media content for businesses. Beginner example. You can charge $50 to $200 per article while the AI does 80% of the work. Transition. But writing is just the beginning. This next tool is even more powerful. Backhand index pointing right, soft affiliate mention. Link below. Tool 2: AI Design Tool, no design skills needed. Problem. Most small businesses need designs but can't afford designers. Solution. AI design tools create logos, thumbnails, ads, and social posts instantly. How you make money. Fiverr/Upwork design gigs. YouTube thumbnail services. Instagram branding packages. Beginner tip. One client can easily pay $100 to $300 per month. Transition. Now let's talk about a tool that works even while you sleep. Tool 3: AI Video Tool, Passive Content Machine. Problem. Video content pays the most but editing takes hours. Solution. AI video tools turn text into videos automatically. How you make money. YouTube automation. TikTok and Shorts content for brands. Faceless niche channels. Example. Many creators run multiple faceless channels using this method. Transition. But if you want recurring income, this next tool is key. Tool 4: AI Automation Tool, Monthly Retainers. Problem. Businesses waste time on repetitive tasks. Solution. AI automation tools connect apps and automate workflows. How you make money. Set up automations for businesses. Charge monthly maintenance fees. Freelance automation services. Income potential. One automation setup can pay $300 to $1,000 per client. Transition. And finally, this is the most underrated AI money tool. Tool 5: AI Chat and Productivity Tool, Everything Tool. Why it's powerful. This tool can write, plan, analyze, automate, and brainstorm ideas all in one place. How you make money. Consulting, coaching, content creation, business optimization, beginner strategy. Learn one use case deeply and sell results, not the tool. Moneybag monetization CTA, soft sell. I've linked all the tools I personally recommend in the description. Most of them offer free plans or trials. Pushpin final CT. Pick one tool, learn it deeply, and take action. That's how people actually make money with AI. Subscribe to Smart Income Lab for weekly AI income strategies, and watch this next video to learn how I'd make my first $1,000 using AI.